Hello friends, welcome to Enjoy Food and Travel. I hope you all are well. Today we are going to make potato stuffed flatbread. This is a very popular breakfast dish in India. To make flatbread dough, we need 1.5 cup of wholemeal flour, 3/4 cup of yogurt, half cup of plain white flour, little salt, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. To make potato filling, we need 1 cup of boiled peeled mashed potatoes, half cup of finely chopped onions, salt to taste, 1/4 cup of finely chopped coriander, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped mint, half teaspoon of carom seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, oil and butter. Let's start our recipe. In wholemeal flour, add little salt, plain white flour, baking powder, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix all the ingredients. Once everything is mixed, add yogurt. Mix it again. Gradually add water and start to knead. Add 1 more tablespoon of oil and start to knead well. Knead to a soft and smooth dough. Cover the flatbread dough with cling wrap and set aside for 15 minutes. For potato filling, in a bowl, mix potatoes, onion, carom seeds, coriander powder, green chilies, mint, green coriander, salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients. Our potato stuffing is ready. Sprinkle some wheat flour on rolling board. Now pinch a ball-sized dough and roll about 4 inches in diameter. Place 2 tablespoons potato stuffing in the center. Take the edge and start pleating, bringing it to the center. Also join the pleats together and secure tight. Flatten the ball slightly. Sprinkle some wheat flour and with the rolling pin, roll it out slightly thick. Sprinkle some nigella seeds and keep rolling. Flatbread is ready to cook. Place it on a plate. Sprinkle some wheat flour. Repeat the process with the remaining dough to make more flatbreads. Sprinkle wheat flour while stacking the flatbreads together, otherwise they will stick to each other. Our flatbreads are ready to cook. Heat a pan, put the flatbread. Spread the water with the help of hand or pastry brush. Let it cook on low to medium heat. Once the water evaporates, flip the side. Give at least 1 to 2 minutes before flipping the side. Once both the sides are cooked, grease the one side of flatbread with butter. Repeat the process with the remaining flatbreads. Our delicious, healthy, soft potato stuffed flatbread is ready to serve now. You can enjoy with yogurt, pickle or butter. It's a very easy recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Enjoy food and travel. Thanks for your time. I'll see you next time. Till then, happy cooking and happy eating.